Hi, in this video we shall solve problems based on the number of handshakes that are exchanged between persons from the topic permutation and combination. So let us start with this question. This question states that in a party there are 12 persons. How many number of handshakes are possible if every person exchanges the handshake with every other person? So suppose that there are 12 persons, P1, P2, so on till P12. So, person 1, he can exchange the handshake with the remaining 11 persons from P2 to P12. So, there will be 11 handshakes that he can exchange with other persons. Now let us take person 2. Person 2, he can exchange the handshakes with person 3, person 4, person 5, so on till person 12. Because now this person 2 has already exchanged the handshake with person 1, which has been counted here in this 11. So the person 2 has 10 other people with whom he can exchange the handshakes. So 10 handshakes are possible. Similarly for person 3, from person 4 onwards, because he has already exchanged the handshake with person 2 and person 1, which are counted in this 11 and 10 respectively, person 3, for him there would be 9 other people with whom he can exchange the handshakes. So similarly this goes on 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7 till finally 1. That will be the case of person 11. He would have only person 12 with whom he can exchange the handshake. So that is where this 1 is coming from. So total, this is nothing but sum of first 11 natural numbers. So if we add all those things, 11 into 12, n into n plus 1 by 2, this answer is 66. This is method 1, first way of doing things. Now easiest way would be this is the method 2. In order to exchange an handshake, we would require 2 persons. So out of 12, select any 2. So out of 12, if we select any 2, person 1 with person 12 or person 12 with person 3, we'll get the same answer. This is another way of solving this question. Now let us look at another question which is a little bit more complicated. Now this question states that there are 17 students sitting in a circle. Each person shakes hand with everyone but not with the person sitting next to him or her. How many handshakes have been exchanged? So if there are 17 students, if we select any 2, that will be the total number of handshakes that are exchanged, which is nothing but 17 into 16, which is 17 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 15 factorial, which is nothing but 17 into 16 divided by 2, it is 8. So it is total is 136. Now this 136 is the total number of handshakes that are possible. It also includes the handshakes that were exchanged among the people sitting adjacent to each other, or among the students sitting adjacent to each other. But our question states that we need to find the number of handshakes excluding the handshakes that were exchanged between the persons sitting next to one another. So now these students are sitting in a circle. We need to remember that as well. So let me draw this circle. Here is student 1, student 2, student 3, student 4, student 5, and so on. Till student number 17. Now let us go anti-clockwise, starting with student number 1. So student number 1, he might have exchanged the handshake with all the remaining students, including student number 2. So we need to subtract that one handshake, because we should not count the handshake that has been exchanged between the students who are sitting next to one another. So we need to subtract that one handshake. That is nothing but the handshake that has been exchanged between student number 1 and student number 2. Similarly, student number 2, he might have exchanged the handshake with student number 3. So we need to subtract that handshake. So if we go on in this way, student 3 with student 4. So one handshake, again we need to subtract. Similarly, if we go on doing in this way with student number 17, he might have exchanged the handshake with student number 1. So we need to subtract one more handshake here. So total there will be 17 such handshakes that are exchanged among the students who are sitting next to one another in this circular arrangement. So out of total minus 17, which is nothing but 136 minus 17.